Hi, I'm Meir, Dean of Students at Bismarck State College. Here at BSC, we care about your success, both in and out of the classroom. We have numerous services set up to help you succeed at Bismarck State College as a student. Whether you're a first-time student, a military veteran, or returning to college after some time off, you can find support from our Mystic Advising and Counseling Center, which we call the MAC. In the MAC, we also have career services offices. Our Students and Residence Life area provides activities and events for you to be involved in after class. And safety and security is on hand to make sure the campus remains a safe environment for you to learn. With 6 residence halls boasting more than 400 beds, a student government association, and clubs and organizations of all types, we're a college where you can live and learn, make friendships to last a lifetime, and find that college experience that you want. We're excited for you to see all that BSC has to offer.